Hey my friends, what's going on? It's Friday, you ain't got no job. Pound up for watching this video. Pow! So guys, what's up? It's your boy Keder. As you know, every Friday I make these videos, guys, to motivate, inspire, encourage you to take your game to the next level. And I share with you my results with Motor Club of America. So this week has been an amazing week. My parents, I flew them out, you know, for the whole 10 days, for about 10 days, you know, hanging out with the kids, going out, having fun. It's been amazing. It's a blessing. I remember when I first started on this journey, how, you know, my family members, they just couldn't get it because I had those things in mind in the future. It was like, yo, am I gonna work a job, or I find the spot of entrepreneurship? Should I go full throttle and make this stuff happen? So in this video, I share my results and I share some key points with you on how you can actually live your dream. Maybe right now you might be at rock bottom. Okay, if you hit rock bottom, what you gotta do is use your bottom as foundation. See, every building that is being built, everything, they have to dig down to build the foundation. So if you're already at the bottom, you know, you gotta bounce hard. Be like a ball, like bounce, like a tennis ball. The harder you hit the floor, the higher you can bounce back. Let that be an inspiration and something that's gonna push you to the next level. Okay, so I'm gonna go into the computer, share my result with you, and I share a little bit of a story, and I share a couple of key points with you, 3 key points in order for you to establish, you know, results inside of your business. And if you're part of my team, watch this video, let it motivate you. You know, take these words and go out there, utilize this information that I share with you on my channel. You know, I do a lot of different videos that helps you take it to the next level. But anyway, this is my results for this week. I'm already logged in into the computer, so I'm just gonna show you. It did 1,000. Last week it did another 1,000. So now if you want to do this, I share with you exactly a tool that I use. I've been doing this is for free. I'm not doing any paid traffic right now. This is all free traffic. When you click the link down below, you join my team, you get access to my team training site, which is at noquittersteam.net. I actually show you step by step on different videos how to do Facebook ads, how to do Craigslist. All of these are training. So once you click on them, I'll open up a different page. I'll show you in the training exactly, and a bunch of resources, so you know all this tool that I'm using. Everything is in here, different webinars that you can actually watch, team training with the team, so you get access to all this stuff. So this is the tool that I'm using for Instagram called Everliker. So you can actually download it on your computer, and I'm following a few people, as you can see, and I'm actually getting stuff done. So anyway, this is the results that I got for this week for MCA. And for the people who actually join my team, you get access to my team training site, which I show you guys all the time if you follow my other videos. If you don't, you know, you can go follow these other videos. Now, how can you do that? Now, how am I doing this stuff, making $1,000 for free? Now, right now, that's without any paid traffic. Now, if I want to boost it up, when I'm doing paid traffic, I'm doing anywhere between $5,000 to $10,000 a week with paid traffic. But I'm testing this new tool. I wanted to take away all my paid traffic just to see how the tool would do by itself if I'm just doing free traffic. With my content, how can I just do conversion with the tool just by itself? So for the last 2 weeks, I've been making $1,000 every week with it, so it works. Now I'm gonna scale back up next week with paid traffic. Now, let's talk about the part in this video to help you take your game to the next level. If you're building a business right now on the internet, okay, you might not be doing MCA. It doesn't matter what you're doing to me. Whether you're doing MCA, I have different businesses. I have a business yesterday called, what is it? Called the Super Affiliate Network. That's another business that I'm part of, and I did $1,000 yesterday without picking up the phone, without doing anything. I'll show it to you here on the computer. Let me flip the screen. All right, if you can see the time and the date over here, March 28th, which was yesterday, and I did $1,000 in commission. That was a commission that was paid out. The way to build that is that, okay, number one, you're gonna need an offer. I don't care which one that you use. You're gonna need an offer. Okay, once you get the offer now, the way that you can actually attract people to it now with social media is so powerful. You wanna start building a brand, okay? You don't want to just build the offer. You want to build a brand around what you're selling. So number one would be, after you get the offers, to get traffic. So your goal every single day is, how can you generate traffic? Now there's so many different ways you can generate traffic. Let's go into the free way to generate traffic. You got to create content, you know, like content like this one that's helping people. You know, like this content is to motivate you, to help you, to inspire you, to help you understand that, hey, I started from nothing. I hit rock bottom and I bounced hard and pushed back to the top. When I told my parents I was gonna quit school to actually go to this business full time, you know, it was like, oh man, do you really want to do that? Man, you know, are you gonna succeed in it? You know, we want to take the regular way. But it was hard in the beginning, but I put myself to apply the information, to work hard every single day until I make it happen. You know, sometimes you're gonna have to take the hard way and do the hard choices, like stuff that people are not willing to do. You know, someone says that if you're willing to do things that other people aren't willing to do, like me getting myself in front of camera right now, sharing this value with you, it's not everybody who's willing to do that, who's sharing the stuff with you. So therefore, I'm doing certain things that create certain results. So when I make these videos, they create results. So when you start creating videos, so let's say you want to create free traffic, right? You start posting regularly on your Facebook fan page or on your Facebook page. You start growing it. Your friends that you have currently, they're not doing that. They might feel some type of way about you. Oh, why is this guy posting so many times now? Why is this girl posting so many times about her business? Why is she making videos now? That's okay. You know, there's a proverb that says that, you know, take advice from the people that you see that has the results that you want. So if your friends doesn't have the results that you want, that's cool. Like, it doesn't matter. Like, they don't know what you're doing this stuff for. You know why. You see what other people that has the results that you want, what they doing every single day. They build a brand, they're making stuff happen, they're making money with their business. You do the same thing. So you start driving traffic, you start generating traffic, you start generating leads and start sending people to your website. And that's how you start making money, by having, number two, a system. So once you start generating traffic and leads, you need a system, something that systemizes it. You know, like a capture page to take the person's email, and a video, like a landing page that has a video that's going to explain the business to them. So the process can be automated. If you don't know how to create a capture page, a landing page, there's a cool tool that is called ClickFunnels. You know, I've been using them for over a year now, and they pay you too. So here's the tool, ClickFunnels. So far this year, they've paid me $23,000. So that's extra money you can pick up by having a tool now. When you get that tool, everybody that comes on your team, you're gonna give them that tool, and that tool pays you every month also. So now you start killing two birds with one stone. So now you start making money with this business and this business. You start to learn how to diversify. It's not a one day done journey, you know, it's a process journey, right? It's a one day, tomorrow you learn, you grow, you know. But as you put that stuff together, right, you have the offer, you start getting leads, you get traffic, you have a landing page, you have a system that closes them, right? With the landing page, they go through the process, and then after that, what I do, I provide value, making these videos, making weekly phone calls, you know, making weekly webinars where I can teach people exactly what I'm learning, helping people. People reach out to me. I got thousands of messages of people reaching out to me. So as you start getting better at your game, become a problem solver. So when you start solving problem in the market, more people will start reaching out to you. Show them the experience. Show them the experience of you solving problem. Like, I make videos all the time. I give people an experience. So if you help people build a store, show them the experience, put it on video, get a snippet, get a testimonial. See, when people see it, it makes a big impact to them, and they say, hey, you know what, if you helping this guy get this type of results, I want to know what type of results you can help me get. So therefore now, you're not just marketing the opportunity. See how a lot of people, they will market, you know, MCA, they'll market IML, they will market, you know, CNL, whatever. You can make up names. You know, when everybody's marketing the opportunity, you see my videos, you come to them, right? I'm not trying to push this stuff down your throat. Maybe that's not what you want, but I'm giving you, if you watch my video, I don't care, I'll show you different businesses that I'm doing, because I know the principle apply. It's a all level playing field. Once you understand how to market, you can apply the stuff I'm showing you right now for MCA. You can apply it for IML. You can apply it for anything that you're part of, your own brand. You can apply the stuff part of anything that you do. So it's the same process, guys. So you start providing value, you start helping people, you start solving problem, and then while you solve the problem, you pitch in your course, your solutions, whether it's a product, whether it's a service. While you solving other people's problem, you pitch in your solution in between, and now they have to pay you. Like right now, I just showed you ClickFunnels. That's a solution. If you want to get it, I'm gonna put a link in the description for ClickFunnels. See, if you want to do that, now you have to get it. I mean, you can't just go to ClickFunnels and get it for free, but what good would it do you? Because even if you go to my link, you're still gonna have to get it. I'm just gonna get a commission. This is called affiliate marketing, right? So I'm gonna make those $37 commission when people actually go through my link. Same thing for MCA, right? I'm telling you why this stuff is powerful. Now, this stuff is not a scam. We already, come on, I've been showing you guys I made 6 figures with it last year, so you know it's not a scam. So you understand that when people go to the process, right? You have a product that solves a problem. One of the reasons I love MCA is because of the service also. Of course, it makes me more money. I mean, I can't afford a service. I can't afford to get my car towed and other things. You know, it makes me great money. But at the same time, the service, the product, it's a great product. It's something that people can actually use. I've actually used it myself. One time I got stranded in my car and I called them up and they send a towing service. Now, if you do drop shipping, okay, if you do drop shipping with e-commerce, Shopify, see a lot of people would be selling, they would be selling a product from China. So you get a product from AliExpress that's like $10 and you're selling it for $50 or $49.99 or $39.99. So you have all this collective merchant that are selling the products, and what you do is find them buyers. So technically what you do is just driving traffic on Facebook. You're finding those people buyers for their products, and then you just charge the buyers a higher price, right? Or a price so that they can get the merchant. Well, it's the same thing MC is doing, but kind of similar in a different way. What they do is find services around your local, wherever you are. They partnered up with those people and they make you pay a monthly fee for the service. Maybe they paying those people a little bit less for the service and you paying a monthly fee for it, but for the amount of service that you get, you know, it's no way you're gonna be able to get all the services by themselves where it wouldn't cost you a lot more on a monthly basis. So for example, if your car breaks down, they would call somebody in your area that has a shop or that can, you know, get your car from wherever you are to bring it to the shop, just like AAA would do, just like anything else would do, except that they would connect you with that person and you don't have to do anything. Just call them, boom, they connected, boom, and you don't have to pay the $150 because it would be $150 out of your pocket to get yourself towed from whatever location to go to a mechanic. So, you know, it's all the process, understanding the tools, understanding the system, understanding how to make a difference in other people, understanding how to give help, how to help other people win. See, all the stuff that I'm showing you guys is to help you win. Go implement that stuff in your business. We're gonna keep winning, baby. We are no quitters, you know. If you're on my YouTube channel, if you follow me on Facebook, you're part of the team. No quitters for life. Let's make this stuff happen. Let's change your life. That was your boy Keder. It's Friday. It was good to be hanging with you. If this video motivates you, inspire you to take your life, yourself to the next level, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. That was your boy Keder. If you make it to the end of this video, say, Keder, I'm gonna get mine. I'm gonna get mine because I want you to get yours. I'm gonna get mine, baby. You can click over here for all my videos that I made on MC that show you the whole process from the time that I got started, which is a year ago, and you can see every proof that I've made from it. Then like, oh, I started, you know, out of nowhere, and then you start seeing, you see every video. I document the whole process for you, and you can click on my face to subscribe, click on the other video to watch something else on how to make money online. I'll see you later. Let's go.